Hello everyone! Today we're going to set up our Python environment on a Mac, right? Um, First of all, let's go to Python, right? Python.org, yeah. Now let's go to download and yeah, this one, right? Allow, yeah. Okay. Okay, now let's go to our downloads. Let's open this. Continue. Continue. Yes, I agree to everything. Yes, install. Okay, just put your administrator password. Okay. Okay. Well, Python, it comes with Python 2.7. It comes with Mac for default, right? But actually, we don't need this. But oh, okay, congratulations, successful install. Okay. Uh, yes, move to trash. I don't need you. So as we saw in the Linux installation, like Linux and Mac, they come with Python and Python 2.7 because they have like these like dependencies like this like operating system. So what we need is the Python 3, right? As we can see now, it's just in our computer, right? It's in our computer. We don't. So and let's check if we have like pip, right? Python 3. Great. Yeah, we have Python 3. We just checked that. Now let's install our favorite ID. I'm just going to store PyCharm. This is my favorite one for Python. You can just go ahead and install it, whatever you want. Don't know what. Community, free, right? Allow, yeah. Okay, good. Uh-huh. Still downloading. My internet's really slow. Hmm. Okay, good. Okay, now we open this. Uh, and then we basically just drag this one to here. Okay, it's copying. So easy to install like application here on Mac. So easy. Okay, here we go. We can just okay, we don't need you. Okay, bye. And let's go and search by charm. Here we go. Opening. I'm just going to keep this one on the dock. Yes, keep in dock. And then just going to move you here. Okay, just click open. Just okay. I don't have any settings here. Confirm. No, thank you. Okay. I don't know. Like I don't know. What should I? This one? Um, I don't know. Let me just let me just click this one, right? Right. And then I like the Darkula. Okay. Create a script for. No. Yeah, just like that. Okay, now we can create our project and yeah, just right here. And then we can use our interpreter here. We can use virtual M or anything. Let's just create, let's say, Python 101. Create, right? Components, nested, etc., etc. I don't need you. Close. Okay, here. Now inside here we can start creating our first Python file, right? Okay, and test. And that's it. We have our Python file here. But I want some changes here because let's see. I don't like that font or anything. Let's see. Let's go to hmm, let me see. Sorry, I don't use Mac, so I'm just I'm just like I'm just like trying to see like where is everything, other settings. I don't know. It should be like here, like settings. Um, hmm, other settings. Here. No, that's for new projects. Hmm. This is very interesting. Hmm. Appearance, right? Project terminal code. Hmm. Help. Yes, I need help. Oh, let me see. No, this is the repository. Nope. 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 I'm just like clicking like everything just to see like view. This is probably why I don't use Mac. It's very complicated to me, these things. Oh, what is it? Like I don't know where is it. Ay ay ay. Um Here I guess. No. No, this is not. This is not what I'm looking for. This is not what I'm looking for. Ah! Help! Help, please. Anyway, I'm just just going to find a video or something. So yeah, if you find a way to change yours, like just like your font and everything, just yeah, just do it. um, this is it for now. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next videos.